Now imagine knowing exactly what your date likes, from their favorite restaurants to their favorite movie genres. Pretty handy, right? Similarly, in the realm of real estate investing, knowing future interest rate trends can be a game changer. Welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm Amit Grover, and today we're going to explore the pivotal role of interest rate forecasts in shaping investor strategies. Interest rate forecasts are like the weather forecasts of the financial world. Just as you would check the weather before planning a day out, savvy investors analyze interest rate trends before making any financial commitments. These forecasts help you anticipate market conditions, allowing for strategic adjustments in investment timing and financing. Firstly, understanding the basics of economic indicators that influence interest rate decisions is crucial. These include inflation rates, employment data, and economic growth metrics. Like understanding the mood swings in a relationship, grasping these indicators allows you to predict potential rises or dips in interest rates. Moreover, the tools and models used for forecasting, like econometric models or market based predictions, can be complex, but they're essential in your toolkit. Think of them as a detailed conversation you have in a relationship to understand deeper motivations and future actions. But now, why should you care as an investor? Because they help you lock in rates at the most opportune times, deciding when to buy or sell, and plan your financial future with greater confidence. It's like planning your relationship milestones with a clear timeline in mind. Our next video will focus on locking in interest rates for long-term stability. Think of it as making a long-term commitment in a relationship, ensuring stability no matter how turbulent things get. Oh, and turbulent they will. Curious how these forecasts have influenced other investors, or have questions about interpreting them? Drop your thoughts or inquiries in the comments below. Sharing your experiences enriches our community and helps us all make more informed decisions. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications here at ECMP Studios. If you need more direct advice or have specific queries, don't hesitate to reach out. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay